from the sounds of this storm. It's not here yet.
Well, there we go.
There's a severe thunderstorm warning for us. So this is the thing where they want you inside, but we're still under a tornado warning.
You really don't. Yeah, that's why you don't.
Well, that's new.
The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Grant County in southwestern Wisconsin, southwestern Richland County.
Okay, so they've added more places, and that's what the severe thunderstorm warning's coming from. We're still under tornado, so.
Severe thunderstorms were listed.
No, that's why we are on.
And we just lost power. Look at this, you guys. Look how fast